Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes. Welcome to the video on this Kawasaki Ninja 650. So here it is, it's a 2018 on an 18 plate with 13,451, and you see, stunning looking bike. This finishing this gorgeous, solid grey and black colour scheme. Very different looking bike. You don't see too many of them like this. Proper head turner. This particular one has got that SP engineering exhaust. It's got that dark smoke front screen. You've got the tail tidy rear seat cowl. You got them really nice adjustable levers that are colour coded to Kawasaki colours. Domino grips. You got the frame protection, bobbins, absolutely everything you can need on it is already done. So an absolute fortune spent it. Lovely bike, really nice, very popular. If you are interested, give us a call, get them down and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.